Breaking news coming in. Manipal Institute of Communication once again has been ranked among the top media and communication institutes in India. It's a part of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, an institution of eminence.
Cut. This is what happens when you ask students of media and communication to create a video. They just can't stop talking about themselves.
Everything we learn to do here is experiential. That's why we rate it at the top. You could ask the RJ if you'd like.
Yup. These guys have their own radio station as well.
Sorry guys, I'm a little held up right now. By the way, why do you need visuals for radio? Good morning, Manipal. Gear up for the Yakshagana performance tonight. A traditional art form like nothing you've seen before.
Art influences life, and documenting the stories behind these art forms is what I'm passionate about.
If you think that was a bit deep, meet this chap. No, this one. The researcher who takes you much deeper.
Art influences life, but even life influences art. And researching about the interaction between the two is what I get to do in media research.
Talking about art and life, we also have a bunch of folks who not only create their artworks, but also bring them to life.
Animation is all about your imagination, taking shape as your creation.
VFX is all about visualization, exploration, experimentation, and exaggeration.
Hey, stop creating confusion. Let's talk about print, the good old medium of communication that gave us our reputation.
Here at MIC, we have our own newspaper. Right from reporting, editing, printing, and distribution, we learn everything hands-on.
We not only have practicals and experiential learning, but we also have well-structured classroom teaching with well-experienced faculty in the field of print, broadcast, corporate communications, animation, film studies, etc.
Films are beyond entertainment, and appreciating it from social and cultural perspective is a different game altogether.
Yes, we do have doers as well as thinkers.
Creating a brand identity.
Developing communication strategies.
Advertising and digital marketing.
Corporate communications is what we are passionate about.
But all these passionate people, are they actually in demand in the industry?
Of course, yes. That's why we have been getting some of the best companies for recruitments at MIC every year. And we have been setting a very good placement record so far.
Now that you know most things about our institute, if you're still wondering who is speaking, it's me, and I love giving voiceovers.
Documenting real-life stories is what I'm completely into.
Radio is what excites me.
Understanding world cinema is what I'm passionate about.
Marketing communication is what drives me.
Media research is something that I absolutely love.
Newsroom, that's where I want to be in.
Bringing characters to life is what I'm passionate about.